Okay, so I've ordered a soldering station online because my soldering station broke and it doesn't heat up. I don't know why the LED doesn't turn on whenever I turn on the soldering iron. But so yeah, I just ordered this Yihua soldering station, and it includes this copper wire cleaning ball and the soldering wire holder, and this is the station. Okay, so I've purchased this for 1,500 pesos, and we're going to unbox it and see if it will um, be good for soldering jobs, if it will heat up fast and be able to melt the soldering flux properly. Okay, so we're going to unbox it first. So this is a certificate card, not sure what this is for, and an instruction manual. And this is, I think, the soldering iron. Okay, so let's turn on the soldering station. I've set it to 380 degrees. Okay, so overall I was satisfied with the performance of this soldering station. So the soldering station is a Yihua 926, and the temperature is accurate. So what you need to do is just set it to whatever temperature you need, and then it will tell you what temperature is it at. So as you see, the numbers are increasing because it's trying to heat up the soldering iron. So it heats up fast, and it's so good. I mean, for beginners, for only 1,500 pesos, this is so good. I mean, it's better than the soldering iron that I had before, which is the this Gordak 968A. So this is a two-in-one. This has a hot air and a soldering station, and well, the temperature is not accurate. I'm not sure, but this heats up a lot better than this. So if you're a hobbyist or if you work on electronics, then this is good. I mean, more than good enough for the price for 1,500. It will serve its purpose. Okay, so don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.